I started my channel on April 2022. It took me more than 1 year to reach 500 subscribers. But it only took me under 55 days to go from 500 subscribers to 6,000 subscribers. Isn't it mind-blowing? Yes, that is just because of one YouTube short. I uploaded a video related to Google conference. At starting, I got around 500 views. Then from the day 30, it started reaching more people. And this is the result of that video. Not only that, and there are 3 main reasons behind that YouTube short to reach more people. And I'm going to explain those very clearly. So let's start decoding. Number 1, that is thumbnail impact. Wait, YouTube shorts don't have thumbnail system, right? Yes, but we can work around that. So I spiced up my YouTube short by adding the cover image for just 0.1 second at the end of the video. And also that image had a catchy title that instantly grabs attention of users. So for this I used a cool technique called face morphing in Adobe Photoshop to make it eye-catching thumbnail. So coming up to the second point, that is captivating titles. A catchy title is like a juicy hint for your video. Well, on YouTube, the title of your video is super important. So here is what I did. I gave my video a real interesting title that goes like this: Google AI kills human memory and intelligence. So I created a puzzle in people's mind that make curious. Can AI do this? Is Google messing with our brains? Is it really dangerous? These type of questions. And people want to click on the video and they will definitely find out more. For this, you can use your AI tools like ChatGPT, Bard AI and Bing AI for clickbait titles. So now let's get into the third one, that is tags. I think tags are like a passports for your video to travel to the right people. If you are pumped about a specific topic, use the tags that match the video theme. So I carefully added over 50 tags related to AI, Google and tech related stuff. Whenever people watch videos on these topics, my video pop-ups as a suggestion to them. So there you have it, my journey and the basic things that I learned from my past 1 year and still learning. It's a non-stop process. So keep those videos coming and let's make this adventure even more epic. See you in the next video. Bye.